Our oceans are a source of wonder, life, and breathtaking beauty. Unfortunately, what you can't see are the trillions of microplastics from packaging waste that affect humans and wildlife.
So SmartSolve's slogan is zero waste, zero hassle, because we have a zero waste material that's easy for consumers to dispose. You can flush it down the toilet, rinse it down the sink, it's biodegradable, compostable.
Where we can deliver a solution that will replace plastics that are littering our oceans and waterways.
It might look like regular paper, but it's created entirely from nature. Because there are no plastics or harsh chemicals holding it together, the water is able to step in and simply wash it away. Zero waste, zero hassle. Just science.
Okay, so you saw the paper vanish. Now let's see how it's actually made. It all happens right here in Bowling Green, Ohio. This isn't normal paper. It has to be engineered.
These machines coat a material with a special water-soluble formula. It's a perfect mix of chemistry and heavy machinery. And it's always safe for the environment.
Once it's cooled, it hits the slitters. These things are loud and fast. They take those giant monster rolls and slice them down with crazy precision.
From raw pulp to a finished product that disappears in seconds, this is manufacturing at full speed.
Manufacturing is one of the greatest gifts that we can deliver to I think, humanity writ large. But at the level of the individual, I think a lot of career pathways have changed over the course of time, as many people during my generation especially assumed that the only trajectory for somebody was to graduate college and to find some office job in an ivory tower somewhere far away from where they were educated. That couldn't be farther from the truth.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
I think it's about the innovation, creating a finished good from raw material and sharing it with the world.
What's so cool about manufacturing is that you get to create new and innovative products. Here at SmartSolve, we manufacture water-soluble materials, which is a zero-waste packaging solution.
Knowing that something that you're making right now could change the world on how we do stuff, that's cool to me.
When we come into work every day, we're creating innovation that is literally affecting the world in a positive way. And it wouldn't happen if we weren't able to manufacture those technologies.